Good morning, students. Today we'll revise all the poetic devices used in our poems in book Flamingo. First poem, My Mother at 66. In this poem, simile is used. Examples, face ashen like a corpse and as a late winter's moon. Second is personification. Here trees are personified as persons running. Repetition, smile, smile and smile. And metaphor, children are called here spilling. Children do not spill. Some liquid spills. So children are compared here with liquid without using as or like. Next poem is keeping quiet. First poetic device is symbolism. Count to 12. 12 is a symbol of time. There are 12 hands of a clock. Fisherman in the cold sea, hurt hands, again symbolic images. These are symbols also. And hurt hands, अगर ये दोनों अकेले आते हैं तो hurt hands is alliteration also. Next, put on clean clothes. It is a metaphor. The poet says that quiet introspection will make us comprehend the destructive nature of wars. Man would shed his blood-soiled clothes and don on clean clothes. He would cleanse his soul, his heart and his mind, purging it of all anger and hatred. Then brothers, again symbol of mankind. In the shade, metaphor. Just as shade protects us from harsh sun, we will protect and shelter each other as brothers. Thus live in peace and harmony. So here the shade of tree and shade of love of humans are compared. So it is metaphor. No truck, euphemism. Earth can teach us when anything. It is again symbols. Both are symbols also. Just as earth, the greatest creator in its sleeping mode, appears to be dead on the surface, but it nourishes life. Next poem is A Thing of Beauty by John Keats. In this poem, again, metaphor, alliteration, imagery, symbol and transferred epithet is added in this poem. Examples of metaphor, bar, quiet, sweet dreams, reading a flowery band, pall, endless fountain of immortal drink. These all are comparison. One thing is compared with the other thing without using like or as. Direct comparison. Alliteration, noble nature, schooling covet, band to bind. Imagery, all the beautiful words of nature are imagery. Symbol, simple sheep is the symbol of innocence. Refers to mankind as Christ is the shepherd. Transferred epithet means when one attribute is given to the opposite thing. Gloomy days. Days are never gloomy, means days are never dark. Days are full of light. But here the days are called what? Gloomy, sad and dark. Unhealthy and over-darkened ways. Over-darkened ways again transferred epithets. Unhealthy, our way of living. Next poem is Aunt Jennifer's Tigers by Adrienne Rich. In this poem again visual imagery is used. Means a picture of tigers are created in the mind of the readers. Alliteration, fingers fluttering, prancing, proud, chivalric, certainty, weight of wearing band. Irony is used. It is ironical that Aunt Jennifer's creation, the tigers will continue to pace and prance freely, while Aunt herself will remain terrified even after her death. Ringed by ordeals, she was controlled by in her married life. Again, example of symbol, wedding band is a symbol also. It is a symbol of oppression and its weight here refer to the burden of gender expectations. Ringed means encircled or trapped, losing individuality and freedom. Aunt Jennifer herself is a victim of male oppression in the society who has lost her identity and individuality. Tigers are symbol of free spirit. They stand in contrast to the creator. Creator is Aunt Jennifer. personality. Means the use of colors implies that Aunt Jennifer's tigers and their land are more vital and enjoy a sense of freedom far greater than her. They pace and prance freely, proudly, fearlessly, confidently, majestically, and fearless of men. Yellow, bright topaz color connotes the sun and fierce energy of tigers. Green reminds us of spring and vitality. Embroidery is a symbol of creative expressions. Aunt Jennifer is creative. The artwork expresses Aunt Jennifer's suppressed desires and become her escape from the oppressive reality of life. Means she wants to escape from her oppression and she embroiders the tiger. Aunt in the last stanza, as opposed to Aunt Jennifer, it shows that she has lost her identity completely. Metaphor again, ringed with ordeals, even death won't free her, as the wedding band, a symbol of oppression, would yet to be on her finger. Terrified fingers again, transferred epithet. Fingers are not terrified, a person is terrified. Pace and prance are action words also. So these all are the poetic devices and you revise them for the FA test.